This is the standing seam roll forming machine ordered by Ghana customers.
You can see how tightly and securely the standing seam panels interlock. No tools needed.
The tool-free interlocking mechanism ensures exceptional seam stability. Manual feed shears delivers smooth, effortless cutting in a single operation. Polished surface and heat treatment for molds can keep the molding plate surface smooth and not easy to be marked when stamping. The frame panel thickness is 16, which is more stable. Can be set using remote control or PLC touchscreen. Set the length and quantity of the product, easy to operate. It adopts hydraulic drive to automatically position, determine the size and cut the target product. With automated controls and a max speed of 1530 min. Ensure that the overlapping accuracy of the finished product is controlled within 1 m. Commitment, delivery within 45 days, 18-month warranty. Steelmama always give you proper solution.